Hi there, this is an unboxing video for Rpod Axle by Dexter. Just to show you what's inside the box and the sizes of the bearings and stuff. So we're just going to open the box. It's a very heavy box. It's got an axle, or it's got a hub. So one of the things we notice is we got bearings here, and the size on the bearings are written on the side here, I think. So an inner and outer bearing plus a oil seal. Bearing seal. The inner bearing is L44649, just in case you want to order just the bearing by itself without the hub. And the outer bearing is L68143. Okay. Let's have a look at that. Comes in a nice plastic bag. I don't know if you can see that, there's the number. The next part is the bearing itself. It's a 5-bolt pattern. You can see the brakes, the electric brakes, the pad that wears on the outer and in the inner on the side here for the electric. Comes with some instructions. Nuts, 5 nuts plus a wheel bearing cap that goes on top. And inside you can see the inner thing, the inner race. The race is already in, I think. And then the inner one would just go like that. The inner one would just go like that inside. And the other one would go inside like that. And then you can see that the cap go on top. And that's my unboxing video. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.